Hey, what's going on, family? It doesn't look like things are going too good for Tesla right now. I mean, we look at this article from Investors Business Daily. Tesla stock falls on China production cut as deliveries miss looms. Uh-oh. That's a sign right there telling you that they're not selling as many EVs that they want to in China. And if they're not selling product, then the stock will, you would think, continue to go down in price. Do you think that's going to happen in Tesla? Let's talk about it. Tesla reportedly has reduced production. Why would they reduce production if there's demand for their vehicles? They should be going into overdrive if the demand is so high, but you're not seeing that happen. They had to reduce their production at its Shanghai factory amid slowing EV demand in the world's largest auto market, China. The move to cut production in China also comes as the global EV giant is heading towards a likely first quarter delivery miss. So they're already trying to give you a heads up. Tesla's going to miss their first quarter delivery numbers. Or at least they're saying it's likely, and has announced vehicle prices will begin to increase. Wait, hold up. If you're cutting production because demand is not coming through, why would you increase the prices then? You need to bring people to the showroom floor to buy your cars. You think increasing the prices of your vehicles is going to bring more people through the door? Make it make sense. Tesla stock fell Friday. Tesla is reducing production at the China plant to 5 days a week from 6.5 days. According to Bloomberg, citing sources, the output cuts started early in March and could continue through April. So right now they're looking at 5 days a week. So they was really churning out these EV vehicles in China, working 6.5 days out of a week. So now they cut this thing back to 5 days, a regular working week. If the demand doesn't come through as what they expect it to be, that 5 days a week could go lower. Do you think so? Maybe, maybe not. The output cut started earlier in March and could continue through April. Do you think the market is pricing this information in right now? Look at the chart. Do you think they're thinking about that? Because on Friday, the market ended down 1.15% in Tesla. Are they trying to price in this news right now of reduced output production, of Tesla increasing the pricing of their vehicles in one of the largest markets for EVs? The move comes amid slowing EV growth in China and with Tesla's Shanghai facility already not producing at full capacity. They're not producing at full capacity right now. This article looks very dismal for Tesla. Tesla observers have repeatedly said in recent weeks that global inventory appears high. There's too many vehicles already out. They produce too many vehicles. And nobody's trying to go out and buy it though. They got the product. It's not like they're lacking on producing these EV vehicles. It's just that people ain't out there trying to buy it. Why? Maybe because Tesla's trying to increase the prices. Because I knew that earlier Tesla or Elon was saying that they was going to lower prices. But then this article went in to say that they're going to increase it. There's a lot of inventory out there. Earlier this week, local media reported Tesla will slightly raise China list prices on Model Y vehicles starting on the 1st of April, following similar plans in the US and Europe. Raising list prices could chill future demand, especially in China, while rivals are rolling out new or refreshed models at a rapid pace, usually with aggressive pricing. The global EV company ended 2023 on a high in China. However, the EV dynamic in China has changed early in 2024. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk has also said China's EV companies are Tesla's main competition with BYD, NIO, Li Auto, and others all making inroads in the EV market. So let me ask you all this question though, for real. Okay. Here it is in America, right? Where Tesla is based. Why is Elon concerned more about foreign EV companies like BYD, NIO, and Li Auto, which are based in China? He's not even worried about other EV companies here in America. I wonder why. Like, where are the American automotive manufacturers giving competition to Tesla? Why is it that you have 3 competitors in China that is going after Tesla? Where are the American-based competitors against Tesla? Things that make you go, It's like America just wants one person, one business to contend with the rest of the world's competition. Is not the American government, the economic system, based off of capitalism, meaning that you want the best to win? So why aren't these other American manufacturers not giving Tesla the work? Because you can see China, they have multiple EV companies giving Tesla that work. And don't think that is not by coincidence, because let me ask you another question. How many of you have seen a BYD vehicle in America? How many of you have seen a NIO vehicle in America? How many of you have seen a Li Auto vehicle in America? Have you seen any of these 3 dealerships in America? Have you seen any advertisements, any promotions from these Chinese EV vehicles in America? If you haven't seen these things, ask yourself the question, why? So now, what do you think about this though? Will it hurt Tesla stock? That's the gist of what we're trying to figure out, because we're already looking for the market in Tesla to go down. That is our price prediction. But let's look at this on a longer term chart then. Let's look at this on a weekly. Okay, so look at how the performance of Tesla performed on the weekly chart. Again, this week, you can see how the market, somebody felt that this buy zone, which we've created, was a great area to begin to accumulate some Tesla stock, right there around 164. Someone is thinking that. Are you? Were you the one who came in and purchased some Tesla stock right around that buy zone? Because it's trying to stop this weakness right here in Tesla, right here. All of this weakness, the market is trying to stop. Because it did for a little bit right here, but then the market continued to fall. What about on the 2 weeks? What do you think? Here it is on the 3. Test on the 5. This market even gave us an indication to sell on the 3 weekly chart. I mean on the 5. That's on the 5 weekly. Monthly time frame. Here it is on the 5. It looks to me like the market in Tesla is just trying to hold the market right now before like the down breaks. They're trying to hold this weakness that is definitely on the chart. They're trying to hold it because they did it here. They tried to hold the market from breaking, but then it broke. It's like they're trying to do it again. Now, without any apparently positive news to come out for Tesla, especially when earnings is due to be released on the 17th of April. If the numbers are worse than what they're anticipating, we could see a bigger move down. If it's not as bad, then this area that we're currently seeing consolidation, the market in Tesla could continue to go up. So it's kind of like, what do you see yourself right now? Because I'm not going to change my price prediction yet, but given the price action for this week, going into the first week in April, would definitely give us a big clue as to whether or not the market is really going to hold this zone of 164, or will it continue to go down to our ultimate area, our next buy zone. I really think it's going to try to hit that second one though. That's what I'm thinking. So it may do that either before or after earnings. We'll see. But yeah, give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.